Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer an expired Ezlink card. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring the balance from your expired card to a new one. First, you need to check if your Ezlink card is expired. You can do this by looking at the expiration date on the back of your card. If your card has expired, you will need to obtain a new Ezlink card before you can transfer the balance. Next, go to the Ezlink website or visit a Ezlink counter at any MRT station. You will need to provide your expired Ezlink card and your new Ezlink card to initiate the transfer process. At the Ezlink counter, inform the staff that you want to transfer the balance from your expired card to your new card. They will then check the balance on your expired card and confirm the transfer amount. The staff will then ask you to confirm the transfer and provide your new Ezlink card. They will then transfer the balance from your expired card to your new card. This process is usually completed within a few minutes. It is essential to note that there is a transfer fee of a few dollars for this service. The staff at the Ezlink counter will inform you of the exact fee before initiating the transfer. After the transfer is complete, the staff will provide you with a receipt as proof of the transfer. You can then use your new Ezlink card to travel on public transport. It is recommended that you transfer the balance from your expired card as soon as possible to avoid any inconvenience. You can use your new Ezlink card immediately after the transfer is complete. In conclusion, transferring an expired Ezlink card is a straightforward process. Simply obtain a new Ezlink card, visit a Ezlink counter, and provide your expired and new cards to initiate the transfer. Remember to check the transfer fee before initiating the process and keep the receipt as proof of the transfer.